Man, I wish I just had a one wheel. Hey! Time for a tech review.
Alright boys, welcome to Cole Reviews Tech. Today, I got a very important package. It's a pretty large package. Jokes aside, I got the new, not really new, it's new to me, it's the Onewheel Pint X, and I'm going to be opening it up and do a little tech review. So let's open this bad boy up. Alright. That's there now. Put that box aside. I don't know if you can see. There's the new Onewheel Pint X. I'll zoom in on pose. But it says, life is about to get more awesome. I agree. Ooh, there she is. Almost hit the camera. Let's not. Owner's manual inside. Great. Comes with a sticker. Let's go. Comes with a charger. It is the Onewheel Pint charger. So it's not the Pint X charger. It's just the regular pint charger. You can get a supercharger for this. Costs extra. I just went bland. Here's the owner's manual. What's this? Oh, business cards, because they assume I'm just gonna, you know, go around and hand out business cards. Alright, the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's set this box aside. Okay. And here she is. Little dusty. Brand new though. Brand new. Let's see if the power's on. That is the real test. She powers on.
The Pint X is power packed. Pint X is fast, XR fast. The extra speed and torque cruises hills, provides excellent acceleration out of turn, and shaves time off longer trips. The Pint X has extended range, double the range, double the fun. Get up to 18 miles or 29 kilometers per charge, twice the range of the Pint, so you go where you want. The Pint X is shred ready. On or off road, Pint X zips out of turns, flies up hills, and the rails burn. You will be amazed with what the Pint X can do. Grab and go. At 27 inches tip to tip, Pint X goes with you. Coffee shop, trains, under your desk, wherever. Stash it, fetch it, love it. And you can't forget, it's lit. Pint features light bar integrated into the foot pad for sense pads indication, battery monitoring, and in-ride alerts. Connect and control. Sync your board from the Onewheel app, customize the way your board rides, check your battery status, connect with your friends, and more. For as low as $38 a month, get a board you want. Easy financing and low payments available with Shop Pay, starting at $1,100 or $38 a month.